Hey guys, Sandy here, and I have my Citrus Twist kit for the month of February. Now, I did open this up just enough to get those bits of paper out of there, but did not go through it yet. So, let's see what we've got in here for this month. Where is the thing? All right, let's get this opened. First thing first, we're going to do papers, and then we'll do the, why do they do this to me? These pages that are ripped out of the books hurt my heart and soul. Like, I'm not going to use it. Okay. Here we have the sketches and the idea sheet. Alright, so we have something from the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. This is called Memorable. It is a cut-apart sheet with different sizes. And then on the other side is one of those color by number things. I think I'll use this side, even though there's things on here that I'm not completely excited about, like the peacock. Here we have Citrus Twist Kit exclusive. This one is a circle. It's called Lattice Work. And on this side looks like the lattice, and this looks like it's a navy. We have Crate Paper Good Vibes, and this paper is Passion. So you could cut this into stripes. On the other side is a indigo with a black dot. Then more Good Vibes, and this has those weird birds, and I used a die cut of this bird in an earlier video and cut off his tail. And on this side it is a craft with a white dot. This is also Crate Paper, and this is Good Vibes. Has this kind of pink and peach and green geometric pattern. And then on this side is grid paper with all kinds of lines. Then from the Maggie Holmes Flourish, we have this page, which is a lot of tickets. And on this side is a nice wood grain. This is a great, I love this wood grain. Then we have Maggie Holmes Flourish. We have this floral. This is really pretty. Goes great with yellow. On the back is this geometric yellow pattern. Then, of course, the 2 sheets of white American Crafts cardstock that comes with it. So we have these great papers, and then let's check out the embellishments. So here is the exclusive cut-apart sheet with great colors that match up. This is the Citrus Twist Kit card that comes every month. A stamp that has these circles. I actually might use the stamp this time. I really dig these circles. We have some Let Your Heart Decide leatherette stickers from Pink Fresh Studio. These are cute. We have the Maggie Holmes stickers. 4 sheets. The Flourish stickers. So we have word stickers, not stickles, stickers and labels. They've got some gold foil on them, and then some cream one, and this has some rose gold foil on it. And we have a gold tile alphabet, and on this side it's a black and a rose gold tile alphabet, a little bit bigger in size than this one. We also have these gold thickers, and they are on a white foam called Together. And looks like there's 2 sizes. So that's awesome. With numbers and punctuation. And then we have this little bit of goodness. It looks like some buttons. And then there's a heart paper clip, some twine, and then these look like These little doodads look like they came from the Good Vibes collection. Like this, there's a pattern paper that looks like this. I believe these are Good Vibes charms. And then some buttons. Here is the little heart paper clip. And then some blue or some teal floss. Okay, and lastly, we have the Maggie Holmes Flourish Ephemera Pack. And these are some large pieces. It says it includes 9 vellum pieces. Let's open this up just to take a little peek because these are some big ones in here. All right. So here's one of those vellum pieces, and it has some rose gold, label, butterflies. Will not be using those. Frame, a tag. Let's see, we got a deer and another tag, a bird, which I am actually going to put this in my Disney scrapbooking stuff because my kids named all the birds we saw at Disney World. Then we have some vellum words. This tag matches that floral paper. Some more tags. Lots of tags and houses. Love and swans. I love you. Some more swans. Rose gold. Tickets. These are big die cuts. The good thing though about the big die cuts is if you don't like them, they're easy to use for other things. Like this butterfly index. I'm not going to use it. I'm not a fan of butterflies in my scrapbooking. So what will I do? Use it as a little layer piece there, or maybe even like that. Okay. Then some more labels and things. Paint by number. Lots of little birds and florals here. Like, I'm not a fan of these butterflies. I could cut off so lovely. Lots of exciting things in the die cut pack. All right, guys, so that is a look at my Citrus Twist kit for the month of February. Stay tuned. I will definitely be using this kit throughout Follow a Sketch February. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later.